Hello everyone, I welcome you all on this YouTube channel UPSClogy. This is me Rahul and today we are going to cover the Hindu for your public administration optional, and today we are going to cover this newspaper dated 2nd of November 2021, and we are covering this thing on the daily basis. There are some days when there are no articles in the newspaper. In those days you will get no analysis as such, but whenever there is the article, you will get the article here in this YouTube channel. You can like, share, subscribe, and you can join the Telegram group for PubAdPedia current affair magazine of public administration optional. Okay, so let's get started. There is one article on the editorial page: Kashmir's fragility has more complex reasons. And here basically the article is written from the perspective of internal security or the Kashmir issue as such. But what you have to read from this article is the keyword. You need to understand one keyword that is given in this article, which is called as the disciplined democracy. Okay, so in this article, if you read this article, you will get this one keyword: disciplined democracy. Disciplined democracy is nothing but the kind of scenario, like for example, after the abolishment of this article 370 and all, you will get that the kind of disciplined democracy was implemented in the union territory of Jammu and Kashmir. So you have to understand what is disciplined democracy. Disciplined democracy is something where democracy is there, but that democracy is because of the force. Okay, forced democracy, you can use it and you can avoid forced word, you can avoid, but yes, disciplined democracy is something that you can use in your answers. Like for example, let's say you are talking about the kind of situation, let's say you are comparing the constitutions or something like that. Let's say India's constitution with the constitution of other countries, or if you are comparing Indian democracy with the democracy of other countries. Okay, so then you can use it somewhere. I hope you are getting. So disciplined democracy is something that you can take from here. And apart from that, if you scroll up further, you will get one article like CS, this chief secretary assault case is going on with respect to this national capital territory Delhi. Okay, so there is one topic, let me bring that topic over here. There is a topic called politics administration relationship. Politics administration relationship. If you read second ARC, in second ARC's different reports, you will get one topic, or you can say in personal administration, if you read the report of second ARC with respect to personal administration, there is the dedicated chapter on politics administration relationship, or you can say the relation between the bureaucrat and the politicians. Okay, so this is what you have to understand from the perspective of personal administration. So there are many cases that you will find in the news, and you have to prepare those cases, or you have to understand some basics of those cases. For example, one is this CS assault case in New Delhi. This is going on, okay, in the courts and all. So in this case, simply there is a kind of case in which the chief secretary of the you can say previous chief secretary of in national capital territory of Delhi, there are charges, there are allegations that around 11 MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party, the political party in Delhi, so they have manhandled this chief secretary, the highest officer, highest IAS officer of the any state or UT, you can understand. So CS assault case is something that is going on. Okay, so if there is any judgment, you can quote it in the examination and you can use this case. Apart from that, there is another politics administration controversy going on with respect to this Aryan Khan's arrest and all, drugs case going on. So in that also you will get the kind of controversy between IRS officer, the chief of this Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB. So you must be knowing about that person. So he is an IRS officer, and there is a controversy going on between him and the politician in the state of Maharashtra. Okay, so there are allegations. So you can understand the relations or the controversy or the kind of interaction between the politician and administrator, or you can say the bureaucrat and admin and politician. I hope you are getting. Similarly, there was the issue with respect to the chief secretary of West Bengal. We have covered that thing also in our magazine itself. So that issue was also going on, and apart from that, multiple issues, like for example, earlier also there were some issues like there are direct tussle between the bureaucrats and the admin and the politician. In Bihar there was the case. We have covered that case as well. In that specific case, what happened, that the minister was saying that I am going to resign because the administrator or the bureaucrats in the ministry, they are not accepting my orders, or they are not taking my authority, they are not accepting my authority. So that is the issue in Bihar as well. Minister was saying this thing. So you can understand the crux, that there was no MLA. Issue was not with respect to MLA, but minister was saying that I am going to resign because in my ministry the kind of the secretaries, the IAS officers, they are not listening to my orders, they are not accepting my orders, they are not accepting my authority because I am the representative and they are not accepting my orders. Okay, so in Bihar issues were there, in West Bengal issues were there. Here we are discussing chief secretary assault issue of New Delhi, that is also there. So everywhere you will get some kind of issues and controversy. I hope you are getting. You should understand these things and you should take the note of these events so that you can quote if there is any question with respect to the politician administration or politician bureaucrat relation. I hope you are getting. This is it for the day. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.